Here are 5 million reasons why Yin Homes is here today at Jalan Rahim Kajai. This bungalow is a whopping 7,200 square feet in land area. Look at the ceiling, it's what we would call cathedral height. It enhances the size of the living room. Let's see where this spiral staircase leads you to. The view here is amazing. You could transform this into a 3-story or just keep it and extend it into a large sky deck. There is definitely so much hidden potential and values to be unlocked in this bungalow that at one glance you may not see it. We haven't checked out the garden space. The car porch is huge. You'll be able to park 6 cars tandem. There is a front lawn where you could build your pool or transform it with beautiful landscapes so you could be at your terrace enjoying your cup of coffee. Yes, renovation and upgrading needs to be done, but the potential is there and the location is just great with the wide roads and quiet neighborhood. Phew, friend, we're just about done. The homeowners are asking 5 million negotiable. Watch our home tour video of this bungalow for more details. And don't forget to head to our website and schedule a viewing with us today. See you next week when I showcase my latest sold TTDI home.